everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do an unboxing of my Grove Collaborative. So this is a cleaning supply, like subscription. If you want to make it a subscription, it doesn't have to be a subscription, but they will send you things every month if you are so inclined. You have to spend at least $20 for them to send it, but honestly, I love it, and you can make it so that it doesn't come every month. And so what I do is I have it signed up for every other month, I think is what I have, so that but then they also send you an email, so you can also say, oh, I don't need it right now, or you could say, send it early, I need something, or whatever you want. And if you are a VIP member, you can get shipping for free, and you get notified of sales, and you also get a free gift if you're a VIP member. So that's kind of fun, and so I do that. They give you that for free for the first, I think, 30 days. So if you are interested, it is really nice. They have very nice cleaning supplies. You can find some of them at Target, like the Mrs. Myers stuff, but I can tell you that these prices seem to be the best. And they always pack it really well. So I got these dish sponge refills. These are, I've gone through these already. And then I also got another dish sponge, soap dispensing dish sponge. So what you do is you open this up, you put your dish soap in here, and then you can push this little spot. It's not really a button, but it's a soft spot on the handle, and dish soap comes out the sponge, and it works really well. And I had one already, and all you have to do is replace the head. You just pull this off, push this in, pull it off, and then click it in. So I had one of these, and somehow it got thrown away, like somebody didn't know it was refillable. Not me. My husband. He's in the other room. So unfortunately I had to get another one, but I went ahead and got refills, and I told him how it works. So hopefully this one won't get thrown away. And let's see, I got some Method Body Citrus Ginger Sea Buckthorn Energy Boost Body Wash. Now I do like to look at my packing slip, because sometimes I think that they send you things for free and you don't even know, because I don't remember ordering this. I think, and it doesn't say that it was free, but I have a feeling this was maybe a free gift, because I don't remember ordering this. Not that I wouldn't, just that I don't. Oh, it smells really good. You can smell the citrusy, and it's neat, like plastic. It's not really super soft. I mean, not soft, super smooth plastic. It's like a little bit of a texture to it. It's not rough at all, but it's nice because this will be in the shower and it will be wet, and it kind of gives it a little hold, so you're not like totally, it doesn't like slip out of your hands super easy. So that's kind of nice. So there's that, and it smells really good. And then I also have this, which I was kind of looking at like, I don't know, maybe it was on special and I did order it, I just don't even remember. But a luxurious lather made with recycled materials. Your oversized loofah produces luxurious suds. So bath and shower loofah, just a big nice loofah. I love new loofahs. What else did I get? Oh, this one's kind of squished. All-purpose cleaner, orange and rosemary. This is concentrate. And this I know was on discount, and I thought, or like on special, not discount, sale. Perfect for use on ceramic, chrome, concrete, granite, stainless steel, and more. Not recommended for use on aluminum, brass, and wood. Our ultra-effective all-purpose concentrate provides serious cleaning power without any harsh chemicals. We've included only the best toxin-free cleaning agents and highest quality essential oils for exceptional performance. Reduced waste, better value, real results. It's time to rethink how you clean. So let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. Oh, there are two of these. Orange and rosemary. They're both the same, and it has a little twist thing. And it says, twist off the top and dispense into a 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill bottle with water. Replace nozzle and shake. So super easy, and I will try that. And it's kind of nice that there's two in this box. That's kind of cool. And I got some of the foaming hand cleaner. I love this, and this is in the lavender scent, which is just a wonderful scent. It smells so good. It smells just like lavender. So I love that, and I love the foaming hand wash. That's my favorite. I got some toilet bowl cleaner, also in the lavender scent. I really like the lavender scent. I really like the lilac scent too, but they didn't have it now. Another lavender, so I can use one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom. This one is fruit fly trap. So get rid of fruit flies fast, safe near food. So directions for use. Goodness gracious, it's early Saturday. Remove seal, open flip top cap, place near fruit flies, and watch the cycle of life unfold. So all you do is remove the top that's under here. Right there, you just remove that, and then you lift the flip top lid like that, and fruit flies are supposed to be excited to come in here, and that will do it. Now, I don't have fruit flies right now, but I thought I'd go ahead and get this because I know when I do have them, they are super annoying, and I want to get rid of them quickly. And so I thought, you know what, it's probably a good idea to have some of this on hand and just have it ready. This is Daily Shower. I thought this would be good to try to use. It's Method. This is eucalyptus and mint scented. Looks like they've changed their tape a little bit because the other tape used to be a lighter blue, but it is nice that they tape every product closed for us. I'm going to smell this. Ooh, that smells really good. It's more eucalyptusy than minty, and which is nice. I think it's a great, clean, fresh scent. So that I'm just going to leave in my shower upstairs. And then I got some of this multi-surface cleaner. This is by far my favorite cleaner. This is the lavender scented. I have it probably stored in about every room of the house. I use this on the daily in different places. So I usually at least get one of these. Not that I mean, you don't have to use a lot, but it is pretty good, hard-working cleaner. I use it for the stair railing. I use it for the kitchen counters. I use it for just everyday cleaning everywhere. I use it on my bookcase. I use it on the fireplace. I use it definitely in the kitchen, in the bathroom. I don't always use this in the bathroom just because I have a bathroom cleaner, but it is a good cleaner to use in the bathroom too. It's fine. I got this disinfectant spray. Looks like Lysol. Kills cold and flu viruses, and it's no rinse required, even on food contact surfaces. Fresh scent and fresh citrus and thyme scent. Eliminates odors. So I thought this would be nice just to have. You know, we're not into flu season yet, but we will be soon. And oh, I love this too. I use this in my tub. Sometimes my sink, but always my tub. It's the Bon Ami powder cleanser. It works really well. I don't know if it has a scent. I don't know. I don't smell it if it does, but it works really well. If you need to clean something really well, if you have like a dirty pot or something like that, you could definitely use this in that too. Anything ceramic or, I don't know, probably anything. I don't know if it says. Easily cleans kitchen, bath, and other surfaces. Tubs and tile, cookware, kitchens. Yeah. So this is good stuff. And it's like $1 or something. It's cheap, but it's good. Oh, I forgot that I got this. I got this little, it has Grove Collaborative on the side, but it's just a little cleaner organizer. So, and it has a nice long handle so you can put your things in here without the handle, you know, still having room to hold the handle, I guess is what I'm saying. So that's really cute, and I can put my cleaners in here as I go from room to room, because I do that on Saturday mornings, so I'm getting ready to do that now. So I thought that that would be cute to have. So yeah, that'll work. I think that's everything. Yes, indeedy. Put all my trash back in there. And then this box can go in the recycling. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys try Grove Collaborative. I really like it. I don't have a discount code or anything. I probably can get one, but I just haven't yet. Or not a discount, but a referral code. But I do know that it is great. I have really enjoyed it, and it kind of makes cleaning a little more fun when you have products that you like to use. It makes it a little more exciting, and I get silly and I'm like, oh gosh, I can't wait to use that. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. So I'm excited about some of it, and I just go nuts. So that's good. And I would say though, my top products from this purchase are definitely the hand soap. This is amazing stuff. I love this. I haven't tried everything else, but again, this is a repurchase only because my husband threw away the first one, but it is a repurchase and I love it. So I think that you guys would like this too. So thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.